你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial consonant, b. Before we start today's lesson, let's do a quick review of the Chinese syllable. A typical Chinese syllable is composed of three parts: an initial sound, the consonant, a final sound, the vowel, and a tone similar to the intonation in English. Make sure you go back and watch our previous videos, The Sounds of Chinese Syllables Part 1 and 2, so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter B in Pinyin, the pronunciation is B. It's like the P in the English word spa. The Chinese B sound is voiceless. It's different from the B in the English word buy, which is voiced. First, say spa, then hiss the S on spa like spa. Then remove the S. Let's say B. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. B, 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 B. Pronunciation exercise for B sound. Let's combine the initial B, the final A, and the high pitch first tone all together. B, A, ba. Repeat after me. B, A, ba, 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 ba. Ba is number 8 in Chinese. Let's combine the initial B, the final Ao, and the high pitch first tone all together. B, ao, bao. Repeat after me. B, ao, bao, 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 bao. Bao is back in Chinese. Question. When you see the English letter B in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is B. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.